Which app is best for PDF book reading? iPhone or Android. So if you want an app which is best for the PDF book reading in your iPhone or Android, then what you need to do is just simply open up your store. Once you open, now you just need to simply go with the search. Under search, you need to simply search for Read Era Book Reader. Once you search here, you will have the application. So this is the application which is best for your PDF book reading. This is best for library management. Readera combines several reading apps into one program which supports different formats including PDF, EPUB, documents, and more. The app has a great navigation system that allows you to categorize books by authors and series, and a collection tool to create a personal thematic bookshelf. It enables you to read several books and PDF journals simultaneously by placing them on split screen mode and also different color modes based on your preference. It is free and doesn't have any ads and is best for the PDF book reading. And the second app is Moon Plus Reader. Moon Plus Reader is best for eye care. This app has an excellent visual option feature. It has more than 10 themes, including a day and a night mode. You can adjust your brightness level by sliding your fingers on the screen, and it will keep your eyes healthy. So if you're a long time reader, you can change the font scale, line spacing, and colors according to your preference. It also has a dictionary, multimedia content, support, and a translator. There is a free and a paid version and is also the best for PDF book reading. And the third application is Pocket Book Reader. Pocket Book Reader is best for re-editing. The Pocket Book Reader supports both reading and audio formats. It has a PDF reflow function which makes reading easier. It has a multicolor highlighting feature to highlight text and export for re-editing with the Pocketbook Cloud. You can synchronize all your documents and reading positions. You can make bookmarks and comments and take notes that you can share through emails. It also has Google Translate for non-native languages. The app is for free with some in-app purchases. So these were the three apps which was best for PDF book reading. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.